Okay, recording this from UCSF Hospital Cafeteria. And you guys are in class now. It's Thursday. I had to do this now because it's going to be busy. So, you've spent more time with Mr. Roberts than I have. In his letters to me and in our, back and forth, he seems like a wise and nice person. Be good to him. Okay, so today's topic for Halloween is modern traditions that have pagan roots. So, Halloween obviously brings this up. What is pagan? Pagan, if you look at it in the dictionary, means a religion not part of the modern religions that are accepted today. Judeo-Christian, Muslim, Buddhist, Zoroastrian. Yeah, I don't want to exclude anybody here. Okay. But basically, that's the definition. It's like not an established modern religion, but many people in England and Scotland say that it's an earth-based spirituality, that nature is what's sacred, and nature's cycles and animals and rocks and trees and plants and water, and humans are part of that, but the sacredness is the cycles of nature. So that's what pagan means. And where the moon is and solstices and suns and equinoxes are all sacred. What is sacred? I looked up that. Sacred. Sacred means you find the existence of God in it. I was like, well, that's kind of a culturally focused definition, right? But also to Native American cultures and other cultures, God was just the great mystery of everything. There's a lot of things we can't explain. How do we get here? Why are we alive? What happens to us after we die? All these things. So anyway, 20 modern traditions from pagan roots. Okay. First one, I'm reading an article here. First one is our obsession with cats and dogs. Totally from history of humans, very long time ago, but the pagan part is that the cats and dogs have gods attributed to them. The Egyptians had Bastet, which was a god, and there were many wolf gods, and our obsession with cats and dogs totally has roots in pagan. I'm going to be showing you these kind of pictures to answer the questions afterwards, okay? Why do people knock on wood? Knock on wood. That has a root in pagan origins too, because knocking wood had a soul and was part of the nature. So if you knock on wood, you're bringing the soul out of the wood to protect you. Knock on wood totally has an ancient pagan origin. Christmas has a very much pagan origin in that time of year is the solstice, the winter solstice. And you can look that up. Winter solstice is the one day of the year that night is the longest and day is the shortest. So it's kind of like the depth of winter. And then from here, the day gets longer, every day. And it starts to get warmer. So they were celebrating for sure that they had survived into the lowest part of winter, and they had enough food to make it out. A solstice celebration. Christmas totally has echoes, feelings of that in it, doesn't it? Like Christmas, it ain't about Santa and what it is, but I mean all that feeling. It's like something that's almost like we remember. Winter solstice. Halloween. It's definitely a pagan leftover, as you hopefully have read in today's article already about Samhain and how the Roman Empire, actually towards the end, they were the ones who brought Christianity, that they tried to have people who were doing pagan festivals and take the popularity of the pagan festivals and make them Christian. Halloween is one for sure. Halloween was a memory of Samhain. You spell it like that. It looks like Sam Hain, a rock star, right? No, but you pronounce it Samhain. That's that Irish thing. Halloween was definitely a memory of Samhain, which was the pagan New Year of November 1st. Okay. So, let's go to the questions. What does pagan mean? Pagan means a religion not based on a modern or established religion. You can pause the video here to answer that question. Pagan, though, also often meant nature was sacred. It wasn't just necessarily that dictionary definition, not part of an established modern religion. It really had to do with nature, trees, animals. What were the things that we had that are modern traditions still from pagan origins? Our obsession with cats and dogs. Come on, we're obsessed. You know it. And it feels kind of ancient. The weird tradition of knocking on wood. Totally from pagan. And why? Because it brings out the nature spirits of the wood. But we don't say that anymore. We just like knock on wood. Oh, good luck, knock on wood. It'll come to pass. Knock on wood. People still do it. Christmas. Christmas was totally pagan roots. Because it seems like it's a collective memory of the solstice feast. Halloween. Halloween was a memory of Samhain. You spell it Samhain like Sam Hain, but you pronounce it Samhain. And it was a memory of the pagan New Year of November 1st. The New Year of November 1st was because harvest was over. And they really felt like if you're in touch with nature, that cycle has ended there. Now, I know it's not the lowest part of winter, but you've harvested everything, and now you just hang out for winter and you wait for the cycle to start again. So they thought, it's like it's a new year. But we don't live that way anymore. Okay, I think this answers all the questions. I think I asked you for, hopefully not 5, but 4, because I gave you 4, pagan traditions in modern time. Another quick one, I don't think this is it. Another pagan tradition of the modern times is days of the week. Moon Day, Monday. Sunday, the sun's day. Tuesday, it's actually Mars's day. Tu was the god of war, like Mars. Wednesday was like Jupiter's day. Woden was like Jupiter. Thursday was like Thor's day, which was like Mercury. Friday was like Venus's day. Frigga, the goddess of beauty. And Saturday is Saturn's day. Planets and gods, days of the week, are pagan traditions in modern times. And we defined what paganism is. So I think that's it. It was just a quick thing for Halloween. Why is Halloween so exciting? The evening of All Hallows. Halloween. You got it. Anyway, okay. Things are going well here today, and we're hoping for just this whole process that my family has been going through to just finish up, heal, and be good. I'm looking forward to seeing you all on Monday. I did not ask Mr. Roberts to collect the reading journals because I'm losing my mind a little bit. So bring them on Monday.